Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my experience so far using the AirPods Pro, and it's been very unpleasant. Like, I've not enjoyed it so far. So if you want to know what I experienced, what made it so unpleasant, like what made my experience so unpleasant, then stay tuned and let's get that in this video together. You feel me? Yeah. So I got my AirPods Pro in a store in Tallinn. It's called Mobi Markets. It's a store in Tallinn, Estonia. They do with gadgets, Apple products and things like that. I got it like at the beginning of January this year, and I've used it for like 2 weeks and few days. And so far my experience so far is AirPods Pro comes with like these three buds, this thing here. It comes with like 3 sizes: large, medium, small. So when I got it, like it came with the medium, and then I had to try like the other sizes, like the large, the medium, the small, and all 3 sizes kept falling off my ear, but the small was stay in my ear for a bit and not fall off, right? Then I decided to stick with the small, and I realized that every time it kept slipping off. I thought maybe my ear wax too much, and that's why it kept falling off. I cleaned it, made sure my ear was okay, but it still kept falling off, and I was just like, so what is the point of the earpiece if it's really going to be falling off? Like, I'd rather just stick with the normal one, like the normal earpiece, because it was really annoying. And having, when it falls off, put it back, because when it falls off, like wherever thing you're playing automatically stops, and then having to put it back was so annoying. And I'm just like, why? Like, no, why am I experiencing this? I thought it would be better, but nah, it wasn't. It's already a turn off for me, even though I'm still using it, but it's already like a turn off for me. And the second part that really upsets me a lot is this thing here. So like there's this like outer speaker, sure, like probably meant to be a design, but this thing annoys me because when it rubs on its surface, oh my god, you guys, the sound it makes gives me goosebumps. Jesus, like now that I'm thinking about it, I can't. Yeah, wearing the hoodie or something, and then it should rub off on this surface. The sound is really annoying. I'm not going to dwell too much on this, but right now I'm just waiting for them to release a new product so I can trade off my current AirPods Pro and get a new one, because this mount, like these AirPods Pro, they're not for me. Nah, I'd rather stick with the normal one, like the AirPods 1 and 2. But I mean, I want them to use a new product, so yes, I can enjoy their new product. But outside these 2 things that really upsets me, I like the fact that the sound cancellation thing is actually on point. Like, I like that. I feel the beat of whatever thing I'm listening to, I can feel the sound more. Like, if you're the kind of person, like when you use this kind of mouth buds, like it keeps falling off from your ear, then I don't think AirPods Pro is for you. I'd rather you stick to the normal AirPods. So for me, AirPods Pro are not for me. The AirPods are not meant for everybody. Now I figured that. Thank you for watching this video. If you like to see more reviews like this, let me know down in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share my video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.